Hi, my name is Vanandi. I'm here to tell some of my progressive changes that I have got after coming to here Butterfly. First of all, I don't have any idea about lab or how to code. I was entirely from different field. I was a science field, and so I thought that I can't. It will be very difficult for me to study. But after coming here, the fumigation period, 14 days, I learned C language. I'm not telling that I have learned everything, but I learned something. I have learned about C language. Then I learned Java. Then so I thought that nothing is impossible. We can do if we believe in ourselves. And then here one of the specialty is self-learning, but I'm the one who depend on everyone. I I always prefer spoon feeding. I love that kind of study because even if I have doubt, I never tried to solve it myself. I used to go to my friends or my teachers, and they wanted to explain me as a child, as explaining to a child. So I just listen. Even all my work, all my reports, everything is not done by me. Everything I depend on anyone else. But after coming to here, all our work we have to, if we have a problem, we have to solve ourselves. We have to find a resource. Even the way we, if we wanted to study itself, it's a self-learning. So we don't have anyone to depend. So it gave me how to be independent. Then the way of dressing is entirely different. Formal dressing, first of all, I felt very discomfort with formal dressing, but after all, I think this kind of dressing gave me more confidence. So I learned how to dress properly, then how to even how to learn self learn. Then even telling about the language, here there is communication level, communication section, where they will try to improve our English level. Then they will give tasks which will be very interesting. Then telling about timing is very important here, which help us to become disciplined. Then I told that learning is self-learning. Then through self-learning, if we got any problems or if we are in error, we itself rethink how to solve the problem, and we itself try to solve the problem. So it helped to be independent. Then here, if we got week back, if we got twice week back, there's a fine. So if anything, whatever you're doing, if we have punishment, we try to not to get punishment. So it's a better option. Then even in a communication session, if we speak Malayalam, we will have a punishment. So if we have something punishment, we try to not to do. We try to not to speak Malayalam. So that is a better level of better way of maintaining this. Then I think my whole life will change. I don't know. I have entered only, but I believe that I will do my level best. Thank you. I was zoology student, so in our zoology and all, we all keep on by hearting, and I don't like by hearting, so I thought I wanted to choose something that is useful for me, which is very understandable for me. So I came to this IT field. So I think this is the best place that I have came, because here everything we have to find a solution. It helps to rethink. They never give every resource. So we find a resource, we rethink, and we try to learn more, not like simply reading and just writing the exam. The way of study is very different, and there is a lot of error. Then we try to solve these errors like that. It is an entirely different way of studying. Then I really enjoyed the way of studying here. Then there is a public speaking section and all, which give us more confidence, which even in future, while we are going to any interviews and all, we wanted confidence to speak in public. So I think that also we will get from here. So I think this is the best place